Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, this is the first time my video in English. Sorry if my English is bad. This time I will explain how to bind the remote jumper T8SG with receiver Flysky FS-IA6B. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the receiver for binding the first time. Use the chamber, the upper port with the cable chamber. And then I use ESG for the power supply this receiver. The upper port is signal, middle is positive, bottom is negative, and the color is the brown color. The brown is negative and yellow is signal. Plug in the port number 3. Then plug in the battery. The receiver light will blinking. It's ready for bind. Take the remote and turn on. Press ENT. Press ENT again in model menu. Press again in model setup and press this button of down. Plan I have create a profile pane before. Icon default, model tab. You can everything, choose everything. This is not important. T8 power, I select the bigger power, 150 and 50 milliwatt. ppm in none. Here for the most important, don't choose Flysky to bind. If you choose the Flysky, it cannot bind, but you should be choose. This is AFHDS2A. Okay, this still blinking, and change or turn the menu to bind. Okay, if the cursor is in the what a minute. Sorry for my bad English. Okay, the final step is in bind. Press ENT. The receiver light is stop blinking. This is have binded between the remote and the receiver. Then you can plug off the cable chamber and reset the remote and receiver. Turn off remote again. Okay, the remote and the receiver already bind. For test, you can use the servo and okay. Okay, finish. The remote and the receiver is binded. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm sorry for my bad English. Bye bye.